Here's a quick update on trying my experiment for cauliflower in hydroponics. This is 104 days from seed, and I'm still waiting for a flower head. I have been growing this in a 40-watt AeroGarden Bounty. Now, my thoughts are that perhaps I have finally maxed out my AeroGarden. So into the future, I will be trying something different. So let's take a quick look. Based off what I expected to have a flower head on my cauliflower, I did want to try it again. So I used this 10-watt AeroGarden Sprout to grow a couple cauliflowers from seed. The one that you see that is in front of you is the one that I did not use. I may go ahead and use this particular plant in a different system, but the second one that I had growing in here, I actually moved to a larger system. And here it is. What I am using is a product from a company called Black Magic, and the product is called a Grow Pail. It's a little over 6 gallons. It has a pump in the bottom that pumps the nutrients up and sprays those on the roots of the plant. And the light is from Vivosun. It is a listed as 100 watts, but it's actually around 98 watts, I believe, and it is an outstanding light. It has a dimmer knob on it. This is at full brightness, but the amount of light that comes off this with the high efficiency diodes easily puts it in the range of 600 to 700 ppfd over the plant. Just a gorgeous plant. I really enjoy seeing the bluish cast of the leaves because it's something different from a lot of the plants that I grow. And you could tell that the plant is growing a lot larger than what it was doing with the sister plant in the 10-watt AeroGarden Sprout. So what I'm going to do is grow this out and see if I can get a decent flower head. The variety is called a snowball cauliflower. And so I have the ability to raise the light, dim the light, as well as have a lot more room for the cauliflower. So I am really hoping to maximize my productivity by adding in what is commonly referred to as cole crops. Some people talk about brassicas. I'm not a big fan of cooked cauliflower, but I really do enjoy eating it with a little bit of veggie dip and eating it cold and raw. So if I could add that to my diet, this may be the best way for me to grow it. And for anyone who's curious, let's take a quick look on the inner part of the cauliflower that's in the AeroGarden Bounty. Let me pull the leaves down. So you can tell that it still has not produced a flower head, and I may be just a little disappointed with this, but it's something that if you're a gardener, to keep trying out new plants and trying to find systems that are best for those. So I have enjoyed the look of the plant and the robust growing, so let's hope that the new setup should work better.